Demonstrated here is a procedure to help restore a normal-sounding strong voice for a patient suffering from a paralyzed vocal cord. The nose is first sprayed with a nasal decongestant and a numbing agent. This is followed by injection of a local anesthetic into the airway space immediately below the vocal cords. A fiber optic endoscope is then threaded through the nose down to where the vocal cords are located. At this point, the vocal cords are easily visualized, including the paralyzed left vocal cord. Note that the vocal cords do not come tightly together. The goal is to move the paralyzed vocal cord towards the middle so that the mobile vocal cord can meet it tightly. With tight vocal cord closure, the vocal quality and strength should improve significantly. While visualizing the voice box with the endoscope, the needle is introduced into the space below the vocal cords. The needle is then angled so that it is directed into the paralyzed vocal cord. A filler material is then injected into the vocal cord to plump up the vocal cord as well as push it more towards the middle. Filler materials used for this purpose include fat, collagen, and hydroxyapatite. After injection, the needle and endoscope is removed.